first thing we do before we're going to make our bars, before we even look at a bar, if there's already a bar model on there, we have to read the problem. So let's read it. Let's read it together. I'm going to point. I want to hear all of your beautiful and handsome voices.
Mark has 2 blue angry birds. Justin has 3 more blue angry birds than Mark. How many blue angry birds do they have altogether?
So right away, I know that I'm going to have to do what to find my answer? Maya. Okay, so Maya says add. Let's see. Okay, the first thing I have to do is find out who belongs to which bar. So I have 2 bars because I'm comparing how many Angry Birds Mark has, and I'm comparing how many Angry Birds Justin has. So I have 2 fingers, that means I'm having 2 bars. One belongs to Mark, one belongs to Justin. I'm going to give you both bars. Once I give you both bars, I want you to think, which person belongs to which bar? Medina's going to hand you the long bar. I will hand you the small bar. If you had an imaginary marker and you could write the name on the bar, what name would you put on the long bar? What name would you put on the small bar? So right now we're thinking. Remember I said we might have to read the problem more than once. You're welcome. You might have to read it 4 or 5 times to really truly know how big the bar is or how small the bar is. So if we're comparing, how do I put my bars? If we're comparing, how do I put my bars? Raise your hand if you did not get a bar yet. Excellent. Thank you, Medina. So I'm actually going to take 1 blue bar and 1 yellowish green bar as well. So my question was, if we're comparing, how do we hold our bars? And I'm looking on the floor, and I see most of you doing the same thing. When we compare bars, when we're comparing bars, we have to put 1 bar right on top of the other. So right now, I'm going to take 1 piece and put it on top, and my second piece is going to go right on the bottom. If you did yours like that, awesome. If you didn't put yours like that, try to put yours like that now so that the smaller bar is on top. Now, remember I said that we might have to read these problems over and over again? Let's read it again. I'm going to read it out loud, you read it in your mind and follow with me. Mark has 2 blue Angry Birds. So I know how many Mark has, right? Because it tells us in the first sentence. How many Angry Birds does Mark have? Most of you are showing me with your fingers. Mark has 2 blue Angry Birds. It says it right here. Justin has 3 more Angry Birds than Mark. Do I know how many blue Angry Birds Justin has? No. I know he has 3 more, but I don't know the number that he has. If I had, actually, I do have a marker, but if you had an imaginary marker in your hand, what name would you put on the longer bar? Find your elbow buddy, turn and tell them what name you would put on the smaller bar. So I was listening, and every single person that I heard give the answer said the longer bar belongs to Justin. So Justin has more Angry Birds. If he has more Angry Birds, then the bar is going to be longer. So Justin belongs in this bar. Who belongs in this bar? Samara. So we have Justin and Mark. Now, Justin and Mark, I know that you are experts about Angry Birds. That's why I chose you, because that's what your All About books are going to be about. I don't know how to draw Angry Birds that well, but I'm going to try my hardest. So if it doesn't look just like an Angry Bird, can you be kind to me and say that you know that I did my best? So, how many Angry Birds does Mark have again? Alexis, you're holding up 2 fingers. Does that mean he has 2? Okay. So, Mark has 2 Angry Birds. Justin has 3 more. So I know that this amount right here is 3, because he has 3 more than Mark. If this is 3, how many is right here? He has 3 more. So it's almost like this is a pretend bar. This is 3. How many is right here? How many would be right here? I want you to find a new elbow buddy. But this time I want you to whisper your answer to them. How many would be right here?
If you add that, if
this part of the bar is equal to 2. Sierra, I see a lot of friends agreeing with you. One other thing that Sierra said, which was shocking to me, was she said she knows this is 2 because it's the same size as Mark's bar. And we know that Mark had 2. So this part is 2 because Mark's bar is the same size. If you agree, say
Yeah.
right. So I know that Mark has 2. How many does Justin have all together? How many does Justin have? Ayana. Justin has 5. Let's count together. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's go back to the question. The question says, how many blue Angry Birds do they have all together? So I want to know how many blue Angry Birds Mark and Justin have together. How do I find that answer out? I have to add. So I'm going to add 2 plus what other number? Isaiah. Isaiah, why is it 5 and not 3?
Because Justin's 4, but in total he has 5.
Right. So he has 5. Mark has 2. How many do they have all together? Justin. 7 donkeys. Excellent. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to say that Mark has 2. If Mark has 2, and it's the same size as this part, that is 2. And we know that he has 3 more. So you add all 3 of those numbers together. The numbers that are the same and the number that is more. So I look at that and I say 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3. So I got the answer correct. 2 different